Hey everyone, welcome back to Trendly Excel Tips. Today we're learning two very powerful Excel formulas, SUM and SUMIF, and I'll show you how to calculate the total sales amount of a single product, like a mouse, in just seconds. Let's get started. So here we have a sales table with product names, quantities sold, price or amount. The same product, like mouse, appears multiple times in the list. Now the question is, how do we find the total amount for only mouse without adding everything manually? First, let's understand the sum formula. Sum simply adds numbers in a range. For example, if you want the total of all sales, you type sum open parenthesis C2 to C20 close parenthesis. This adds everything, mouse, keyboard, laptop, all products together. Useful, but not when you want only one product. Now SUMIF. SUMIF allows you to add numbers based on a condition. Let's say the product name is in column A and amount is in column C. To calculate the total amount for mouse, type SUMIF A2 to A20 mouse, C2 to C20, press enter, and Excel instantly gives you the total sales amount of mouse only, even if it appears many times in the list. No filtering, no manual adding, just one smart formula. So remember, sum adds everything. SUMIF adds values based on a condition. If you work with sales, inventory, or reports, SUMIF is a must-know formula. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy Excel tutorials. See you in the next one.